Hello and welcome everyone! Today we're sitting in my living room and I'm gonna try and do a kind of like makeshift Halloween costume every single week. One for every week in October, starting this week since it is the first day of October in this week, even though the majority of it is still September. Whatever. Today I am starting off with Catwoman. I thought I was going to start off with Poison Ivy originally, but today I'm just feeling a little more Catwoman-esque, and the cats are playing over in the corner, Jinx and Birch. But yeah, I thought I just feel a little more Catwoman today, so we're gonna run with that. I am super stuffed up. My allergies are horrible right now if I sound really stuffed up and snuffly, because there are so many cats in the house. It's just really getting to me. Plus, usually fall, I have bad allergies anyways. But I took a shower today and my hair just kind of ended up drying like this, a little bit on this side, and I was like, well, that's cute. And so I just kind of went with it a little more by like doing this as it was drying, taking a blow dryer and then drying it like this, putting a little of like this styling cream that Danny, my hairstylist, gave to me, and doing this with it too. And then a little hairspray. And yeah, I don't know, it was giving me like Catwoman vibes, like a cat house. Sometimes they have little points right here. And then the shirt, you know, all of it together. Oh, by the way, if you hear squeaking, I'm just realizing how loud my washer is. So I'm sorry if you hear that in the background. It is like the middle of the night. Probably not that late. It's probably around like 10 o'clock. But I really wanted to get these videos done for you. I'm feeling very excited for Halloween this year. I'm making a bunch of decorations. Some are right there, you can see popping up. Let me know if you guys want to see those. So today's outfit while I'm up, this top, thrifted. These are vintage disco pants. They are thrifted as well. And then I was wearing these cute little shoes. I'll try to remember to put up the TikTok. I've been really bad about that in the last couple of videos, I feel like. I'm just adding in little things that I want to, so Devyn, write it down. This is your reminder. These red little shoes, these are so cute. Are you kidding me? And then I just had on like a long leather jacket. I already put it away though, so I'm sorry. Hopefully I can put up the TikTok because it has that in it. But I do already have a little bit of makeup on, as you can see. And it was just kind of like my day makeup, so I basically just took my lipstick and put it on as eyeshadow, and then have like a little bit of brown eyeliner underneath. And yeah, Birch, you wanna say hi? This is little Birch. See you later. And then just did like a tiny little bitty wing. Did a little bit of that for blush, and then have it on my lips, and then mascara. So I'm gonna use this as like my base makeup. You could really do whatever you want. I'll probably add more blush, and yeah, you could use like a red like I did. You could use basically any color. I feel like a black would also be cool, or just like a nice neutral that would match your skin tone, or some kind of like shimmer would also be really cool. Maybe I'll add some shimmer, like some gold. But anyways, what I'm trying to do is once a week make a video for all of my respectable social media accounts, kind of mixing like pink and oranges for a blush, and make a Halloween costume out of things that I already own, and just kind of do like a fun personal take on the character. Like, it might not be exactly, it's more of my artistic interpretation of that character or person or whatever it is. So if you have anything you really want to see and you think would be cool, you know, let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I already got some cool ones from the people on Instagram that I'm really excited about, and also just confirmation on ones that I was thinking about doing. So let me know. Oh my gosh, my nose is so red from the allergies. I was telling you guys, I'm not joking. I'm really gonna go more orangey, the blush, I feel like. Now let's do a little bit of like the bronzing situation. So I'm just using this palette I did with Miss P and Love Child. So fun. Oh my gosh, I keep almost dropping it. I'll probably end up using I don't really know. I don't do this ever. This maybe? This one? Daughter Up. And maybe Pink Cadillac, we'll see. But I don't know. And for blush, I just did like a mix of all of these, basically. Just lightly tap all of it. This will also help me decide what I'm going to officially do on Halloween. I really, really, really want to have a fun little setup for trick-or-treaters this year. I feel like I miss them every year for whatever reason. Some years I was working, most years, and then the last couple years that I wasn't working, either something was going on. I think one year I was dancing with my friend Olivia for a show, and then that was really fun. Oh my gosh, I miss that. And then last year we just missed it because I didn't realize that it started so early. Like, I felt like when I was a kid I was out until midnight trick-or-treating. I don't know, maybe that wasn't true. Maybe I just thought that it was much later than it was because I was like so young. This year I'm gonna be ready, and I've already started, like I said, making the Halloween decorations, getting things ready. I want to make a fun little setup for them to come through and be excited about, and yeah. Because we just moved too, so I think it'd be a fun way to kind of get to know some people in the neighborhood, and like a cool way to display some like creativity as well when you're like doing it all yourself rather than just going out and buying the decorations. I feel like it'll be a fun conversation starter. And also I want to have a Halloween party here with my friends, so that would be like the Friday before. And then I'd just keep it up and maybe modify it for more of a family-friendly vibe. Even though it's gonna be pretty mellow and family-friendly either way. To be honest, nothing's gonna be like really out there. I don't think it'll be like the same decorations. I'll probably just rearrange the setup to be more trick-or-treater-esque. So I've already got the red, so at this point, if I didn't have my makeup on, I would be adding like a base color, basically just using like a giant fluffy brush, or what I did for this, since it was lipstick, was just use my finger. I'm trying to flake you guys off. And then just kind of blend it out either by patting with a finger that doesn't have lipstick on it, or by, you know, using a different brush or cleaning off your brush. These cats are wild. Yeah, so pretend that we're doing that. We finished it. Ta-da! Awesome. Base colors down. I hope you guys know that usually when I'm doing these, I'm just like making it up as I go along. I really don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of let it happen, you know? You're all kind of along for the ride with me. I think I'm gonna use eyeliner, and I've just been using this eyeliner. I've just been using this eyeliner from e.l.f. It's very affordable. I've been using it since high school. I love it. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna try to make like a cat eye shape, like a fun, dramatic one. And then we'll do like brows and like a fun little this situation, you know what I'm saying? And of course hair too, but I don't think I'm gonna need to show you guys that just because all I'm gonna do is, well, we'll get there one shit at a time, right? Alright, we're off to the races. I'm just gonna do a cat eye first, because that's like a given. I'm also gonna bring the eyeliner down in, or actually I think I'm gonna take it from the bottom. I saw somebody somewhere say, instead of taking the top one down, take like a bottom one out. And I'm gonna try that because I always feel like it doesn't look quite right for some reason when I do it the other way. I ended up just filling it all in because it wasn't doing it that way for me either. What I'm going to do is do kind of like a 60s arch. So Oh yeah, I don't think that I said this at the beginning, but this is like my Catwoman in disguise outfit, like before I did this extra makeup. It's like her, you know, pedestrian look. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Now I really gotta pray for the other eye. Okay, that's pretty cute. Oh, hey Jinx. Just getting in the video. You wanna say hi too, Jinx? Oh, she doesn't wanna say hi really. So this, I just feel like it needs to be bolder. So I'm gonna make it thick. I'm gonna bring this down like all the way along with the bottom one. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add like a little flick on the bottom, I think. That is one eye. Now I'll do the other one off camera and then I'll be back to do the rest of it. Back! Alright, here we are. So now, I don't know why I just showed my mirror, I still need this. We're gonna do the like nose and lip situation. I think I kind of know what I want to do, so we'll just try it, I guess. First I should probably put on the lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick right now. I got it at Target. We're gonna use the black eyeliner again. So this is like very minimal products used. You could basically just use eyeliner and lipstick for the whole look if you wanted to. I don't think Catwoman generally actually looks like a cat, but like I said, this is just kind of my rendition. Hey Birch, can I look at you? I think it needs to be over the whole nose. This could also be like a Josie and the Pussycats costume right now. Josie, Pussycats. Is this how I want to do the nose, or do I want to do it? I don't know. I go as Catwoman for Halloween a lot. This sweet girl named Bianca made me a cat suit a couple years ago, and ever since then it's kind of just been like something that I have to bring out every year. Ah! I'm okay, thanks for checking on me, Birch. I just got my eyeliner where it wasn't supposed to be. Oh, so cute. Okay, now for the nose bit. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna blend it a little bit with the lipstick. Next, it's just the hair, and then the outfits, and then that's it. Oh yeah, I wanted to do eyelashes too, because I feel like it'll make it just pop a little bit more. Andrew and I have this conversation a lot where we really just believe that it would flow better if it was MISSISSSIPPI instead of MISSISSIPPI, right? Don't you feel that? Something for you guys to think about. Yeah, I did already put on mascara, which I said at the beginning, but in case you're wondering, it's already on. Oh yeah, it just adds everything that it needed to, you know, the little elevation. Okay, ta-da, we're in the bathroom. Oh yeah, this is cute. So this is the hair gel that I'm using. I'm just going to basically take some of my hair and try to make some cat ears. Normally when I had longer hair, what I would do is take like the chunk here and then twist it around and fold it over and pin it up like this. But now we can just make a little spiky. It's hard to tell with just one, but I think we're getting somewhere for sure. You kind of just have to hold it up while it dries. I'm twisting too. We'll just be holding this for a little bit. Okay, that's cute. Let's start working on the other one. This is actually so fucking cute. I would wear my hair like this every day. Ew, this stuff feels disgusting on my fingers. Okay, it's good, we're good. I'm obsessed, you guys, if you can't tell. Okay, now I'm just gonna go get in the outfits. I should have thought of this before, but I didn't. Turtleneck hair. Luckily it does expand a lot, but I'm still scared. Wish me luck. Ta-da! The transformation is complete. So this is the amazing catsuit that I was telling you guys about. It's kind of based off of like the 60s Catwoman. I would love the 1989 Catwoman suit that Michelle Pfeiffer wore. Yeah, that is my favorite. That's like one of my favorite movies of all time. This is so cool. I love the glitz, the glam. It's kind of like Studio 54 Catwoman, you know, going out on the town. I just added this belt, which is one of my favorite belts. Now these over the knee black boots. And that's the entire fit. I hope that you all enjoyed this little costume. Let me know if you have any suggestions of what you want to see. Let me know what you guys are going to be for Halloween this year. I love knowing everybody's costume ideas. It's so fun. Stay safe. I love you. And I'll catch you all in the next one.